What is YouTube keyword research? There are a lot of strategies out there. I see what other people teach and I see what results they get. Or I should say the results that they don't get. Even people who are gurus in the website SEO space, they try and do it on YouTube. You look at their videos, yeah, they're not getting results. Let me show you the results that I get. When you type in what is the role of a superintendent in construction right here in the YouTube search bar, notice you find Jason Schroeder at the top. If you type in how to start a retreat business, notice you find Michelle Villalobos there in position 2 and 3 and 4. If you type in how to change the tone of your singing voice, you find Jason Hewlett at the top. Here, Nicole Espinosa's at the top. Here, Ted Thomas is at the top. Here, Dan Good's at the top. Here, Viral Workman's at the top. Now Laurel Langmeyer's at the top. Chris Miles is at the top. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to do keyword research the right way. There are some popular tools that are supposedly built for YouTube keyword research and YouTube SEO, but let me show you the problem with them. Okay, so here's the biggest problem. We're on YouTube. I've typed in the search bar, how to discipline a child that lies and steals, and look at the video that's at the top. This is Nicolene Peck. I put her video there. Now, if you look on the right, I've got a Chrome plugin installed from vidIQ. It says my overall score is low. It says that the competition is very high, and yet I'm ranking at the top. I knew exactly what I was doing and it worked. I'm at the top, but I've got a low score. Now here's another tool. I'm signed into the Creator Studio and I've got the TubeBuddy plugin there and it says I've got a score of 50%. So their tools don't work and the method of keyword research doesn't work either. They want you to search and find phrases that are 2 words long or 3 words long. For them, long tail is like 5 words or something like that. But did you know that your audience, your target audience, the people that you love to work with and you wish that you could find more of, when they go to Google and YouTube, they're often typing in 7, 8, 9, and 10 word questions. Now, there's a tool that will find these questions for you. In fact, let me show you. I was doing keyword research for Nicolene Peck, the video that I just showed you that's ranking at the top, and I wanted to check her rankings. If I typed disciplined teenager into this tool right here, I can hit search. This is called the Keyword Magic Tool. You can get a free trial of this if you go to Hero Keyword Tool. There are a lot of questions here. So this is the tool that I use to find all these, and I organize them here into branches on this spreadsheet. And then in this column right here, on September 6th, I check the ranking, and she's ranking for just about all of these. So this is what I call dominating the branch. Out of 29, 21 of them are yeses, only 3 of them are no's. Starting means you just have to scroll down a bit to find her. So what you need to do is do research to find the questions that your target audience is asking. What would it do for you in your business if you were ranking at the top of Google and YouTube every single time? These are people that right now don't know that you exist, but if you follow this strategy, you'll appear at the top and they'll know who you are and you can generate leads in your business. I want you to understand this strategy inside and out, so I've created another episode to teach you my LEAF strategy. I'll link to it on this page. It's called YouTube SEO, the LEAF strategy. Go watch that video next.